Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super delicious and creamy strawberry horchata. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by rinsing 1.5 cups of long grain rice. We're going to be rinsing under cold water until the water comes out nice and clear. Alright, so once we have our rice out nice and clean, we're going to transfer it to a large bowl. To that, we're going to add 1 large cinnamon stick. We're just going to break it down. Okay, and we're going to cover it with 4 cups of boiling water. We're going to cover it and allow it to rest overnight or for at least 4 hours. Okay, so once we have our rice ready, now we can make our horchata. I'm just going to mix it. Okay, now we're just going to set it to the side and get our strawberries ready. Okay, we're going to be using 1.5 pounds of fresh strawberries. I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. And I just like to disinfect them with a little vinegar. So just cover them with water. And you'll be surprised on what you find on them. Add a little bit of white distilled vinegar. And just allow them to soak for at least 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we can give our strawberries a couple more rinses. So just dump the water and just continue rinsing with cold water. Just like that, we have our strawberries all nice and clean. Okay, so just remove the stems. Alright, so once we have our strawberries, now we can get ready for the fun part. So we're going to begin by blending all of our rice. Okay, so we're going to be blending until our rice is nice and pulverized. Alrighty, and after 3 minutes, we should have our rice mixture ready. So now we can get ready to strain it. Okay, so strain using a fine mesh, or you can use a piece of cheesecloth. Okay, so now we can make our strawberry mixture. So transfer all of your strawberries. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of milk, or you can use water if you want to keep it all water-based, along with 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to be using a strawberry concentrate, so use 1 teaspoon, and your favorite sweetener. Okay, so now we're just going to blend until smooth. Alrighty, and once we have it, we can transfer it to our pitcher. So pour it. We're going to finish it with 4 cups of water. And a little bit of condensed milk. And you add as much as you want, depending on how sweet you want your horchata. But now we're just going to mix it. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our delicious and creamy strawberry horchata. And of course, before serving, I like to add my fresh fruit along with our ice. And just like that, we can get ready to serve. Your cup and serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so refreshing, and it's honestly the best. So I am so ready. Of course, you know, when it comes to drinks, you can always adjust them to your liking depending on how sweet you want them. You can always add more sugar or less. That's just up to you. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, so creamy. You can taste the strawberries. Everything is just perfect. The cinnamon, the best horchata. So good. I honestly have to say that this is my favorite. You know, it's just so refreshing. Can never go wrong with strawberries. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious strawberry horchata. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. share with your friends and family. And if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.